If you or your loved one is living with leukemia, you want to make sure that you're considering all available treatment options. For some people, the best treatment might be one that's already approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. For others, the best option may be joining a clinical trial. Clinical trials are studies where researchers investigate how well a new treatment works and how safe the treatment is. So, how do you know if a clinical trial is right for you? Some doctors recommend clinical trials to their patients so that they can carefully consider all available treatment options. You should discuss the pros and cons of each option with your doctor, so you can make the choice based on the best possible outcomes for your unique case. If your doctor recommends a specific clinical trial, you should ask them why this trial is the best option for you. Listen carefully to the anticipated benefits of the new treatment and any potential side effects or risks. It might be helpful to have someone write down what your doctor says for your future reference. This is the first step to deciding whether a clinical trial is the right choice for you. The next step is talking to the researchers running the clinical trial or your healthcare team. They should answer all of your questions about treatment benefits or side effects. They also should address any concerns about how the clinical trial works, what to expect, and if there are any costs to you. So, what are the benefits to joining a clinical trial? The first is that the trial gives you access to new therapies that are not readily available. These therapies might help you beat your leukemia quicker and could be better than existing treatments. Clinical trials may also be beneficial for patients with treatment-resistant leukemia, who have exhausted all other treatment options. Another benefit is that clinical trials help advance science, potentially helping others overcome their battles with leukemia in the future. So, why do some people choose not to participate in clinical trials? One concern for potential trial participants is that they may receive a placebo. In cancer clinical trials, however, active therapy is never withheld from patients. Trials compare new leukemia treatments to the best currently available standard of care therapy. In some cases, the clinical trial requires travel or frequent appointments, which may be inconvenient, especially if you live far away, can't take time off work, or can't find reliable childcare. Sometimes, people can mistrust the research process and prefer not to join a trial. The doctor or clinical trial coordinator should be able to answer questions about concerns like these before you join. Ultimately, you should feel completely at ease and comfortable with your decision to join a clinical trial. To learn more about clinical trials and to access the Leukemia Research Foundation's online clinical trial search tool, visit leukemiarf.org. Thanks for joining us.